Welcome back to Drive Pulse. Today we're diving into the thrilling world of hypercars with the stunning 2025 Czinger 21C. This machine is not just a car, it's a piece of engineering art that redefines what we expect from performance vehicles. The Czinger 21C boasts a striking design that immediately captures attention. Its aerodynamic lines and aggressive stance not only look incredible but also enhance its performance. This car is built for speed, with a lightweight structure crafted from advanced materials, ensuring it can slice through the air effortlessly. Under the hood, the 21C is powered by a cutting-edge hybrid powertrain. It combines a twin-turbocharged V engine with an innovative electric motor, delivering an astonishing 1,250 horsepower. This incredible power allows the 21C to rocket from 0 to 60 mph just under 1.9 seconds, placing it among the fastest production cars ever made. One of the most remarkable features of the 21C is its use of 3D printing technology. Czinger has pioneered a unique approach to manufacturing, creating parts that are not only lightweight but also optimized for performance. This means each car can be customized to the driver's specifications, offering a level of personalization rarely seen in the automotive world. Inside, the 21C blends cutting-edge technology with luxury. The cockpit is designed with the driver in mind, featuring a digital display that provides real-time data on performance metrics. Every element is crafted for comfort and control, ensuring an exhilarating driving experience. As we take a closer look at the 21C, you can see how it represents the future of hypercars. With its blend of performance, technology, and stunning aesthetics, the Czinger 21C is not just a car, it's a glimpse into what the future holds for automotive enthusiasts. Thanks for joining us today on Drive Pulse. If you're as excited about the Czinger 21C as we are, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that notification bell for more updates on the latest in automotive innovation. See you next time.